What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So it is a little late in the evening for me to be starting a video, but I got a long night ahead of me. We're hitting the road. We're going to pick up a new project car. Well, project car slash daily, mostly daily, but I can modify it. Whatever, you guys are gonna see. But we gotta make a pit stop. We gotta pick up DJ and his girlfriend because they're hitting the road with us, and yeah, got a long drive heading out to San Francisco. So nobody knows yet. I haven't posted nothing about it on Instagram, nothing like that. I'm gonna probably keep it pretty hush hush until the video at least goes out, until this video goes out. But yeah, let's hit the road. Let's hit the road.
What happened?
Let's hit the road.
I was waiting for a text, okay.
He said, nah, I'm not gonna know.
Oh. Oh, I was gonna say.
I'm gonna push it up
You and your blanket.
I need my blanket.
So I got a pillow here for you if you want.
Oh, shit.
And it turns into a square pillow too. You turn it inside out. At least I think that's that one. I hope it's that one.
How the fuck?
Is there a zipper on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that one. You like flip it inside itself and it turns inside out to a normal like
Dude, look at that.
square pillow.
All right, let's go get this.
How'd you know already?
I already know.
I told you!
I already know.
Alright, so I don't know if you guys can hear this wind because I do have the thing on my fucking mic. But we're on the side of the 210 freeway. Oh my god, is it cold. I have no idea where we are. It's like 2:30 in the morning. Oh my god, it's so fucking cold. Oh, it's like, yeah, almost 3 in the morning. Got a couple hours left to go. Exhausted. Very, very excited. Oh my gosh. But we're making progress. Alright, so it's like, what time? Oh, what, is that our time?
8:30.
It's 8:30 here. Forget where we are. We're like 30 minutes away from the guy's house, which is in San Pablo, California. The guy actually was really kind and he offered to wash the car this morning, but I guess he doesn't drive it much, so he took it out last night, cycled the fluids, make sure it was all good for me to drive home. Noticed it pulled a little bit on the freeway, so he offered to actually take it to the alignment shop this morning. So that's where he is right now. Otherwise, we'd be picking it up at the moment, but he's at the alignment shop getting it sorted out, making sure everything is copacetic for the drive home. So we got some time to kill. I guess we're right next to the Golden Gate Bridge, like 30 minutes away, so we're gonna head there. DJ's just playing with the money.
Yeah, we're about to go shoot a music video real quick. Before we go and spin this, we're gonna get clips before with the money and after with the car. You know, just a light flick. You know, rappers do it all the time.
Yeah, something like that. But yeah, no, this is probably a really sad flex, but this is the most money I've ever had in my life, so whatever. I'm just stoked. Finally getting the car that I've been wanting forever.
shit, we are.
Well, San Francisco was pretty cool. Golden Gate Bridge was pretty cool. Seeing Alcatraz Island and all that stuff. We were on our way to the guy's house to pick up the car, and he called, said, well, he was getting it aligned. He had them do a safety inspection, and they found like a hairline crack on one of the control arms. So just to be a team player, he's having them replace the arm really quick. So it's gonna be like another hour, which kind of sucks because of our time crunch. But in the meantime, I found this park, which is like in his neighborhood. This is more of like a grazing field for something. But damn, oh Bay Area, why are you so steep? All of it. Oh my gosh. DJ running.
My asthma. You see that shit you do to me? I shouldn't have tried to jog. I lost my breath doing that.
We out here, Bay Area. My eye burns. We're waiting to pick up the car. Yeah.
Well, ignore the music, but we got the car. First gas up, just left the guy's house. Yeah. So this is it. This is my 03 AP1 S2000, and thanks to DJ for even coming out to help me get it and kind of support or like spotting things out for me, because like obviously I know what I'm doing, but I don't know what to look for on cars like this. A few little small issues that we gotta sort out. Nothing really wrong. Just some things that need to be addressed. Mostly like suspension. The struts that are on it are aftermarket. I don't know if it's coils or lowering springs. It's hard to tell. I can't really get under there. They're definitely blown. At least the front ones are pretty trash. The shifter may need like a little bushing rebuild kit because it kind of gets stuck in reverse lockout, like the gate gets stuck open. You have to like pull the shifter back up, but it may just be fluid or something. But yeah, overall, car drives good. It just needs a little bit of love, a little bit of maintenance. But for a $10,000 S2000, especially in the market right now, I think I got a decent deal.
Not bad.
Not the best
you
deal.
gotta expect it to need a few things.
Yeah, not the best deal, but I got a decent deal.
It'll get there.
Yeah, paint's in good shape, the soft top's in good shape. It's got pretty fresh maintenance. He actually just aligned it for me. Everything's here on the inside. It has good AC, all that jazz. So we're like an hour-ish into our drive home. Just kind of dealing with traffic, and it really sucks because I'm kind of stressing about this car. Like I said, there's a few little maintenance things that need to be done to it, but overall it's driving really good. I'm digging it. Coolant temp is staying good. So far it seems like we're getting good fuel economy. Shifter transmission area kind of makes a whirring noise or something on decel. Not super loud, but noticeable. But drive straight, no vibrations, no funny smells, so I'm hyped. And it's got VTEC. I don't know what that is, but we're driving like right into it. Looks like the field caught on fire or something. always wonder why California's on fire too. You guys do stuff like that with all of this everywhere.
Yeah, that's wild.
I chopped them off the rock and put something else on it. So we are, I don't even know. We are 9 o'clock Cali time.
We're like 22 hours into this.
Yeah, it has been a very, very long trip. We're on the final stretch though. So we're just outside of Indio or Palm Springs. So we got like 4-ish hours till we're home. So we're gassing up right now, getting some McDonald's, some fat kid food, and then we're gonna hit the road. I'm gonna let DJ drive the rest of the way home and hopefully make it home safe and before 3 a.m. But we'll see. I'm so tired. I just want to shower, wash my ass, like get some good food. But we got a mess, so it was worth it. So it's 2:51 in the morning. Been driving for like 12 hours straight.
We are finally back.
Yeah.
God dang.
12 hours later.
A long drive.
Yeah.
It ran good though.
Yeah, check engine light popped up a few hours ago. I don't know why.
Like halfway through.
Yeah.
I almost want to guess O2 because it has like a little between like 4,000 and 5,000 RPMs, almost like a little sputter, kind of.
Yeah, so I'll run the code tomorrow morning, but it's probably something stupid like that because the car still engages VTEC and everything
runs
is fine. So
otherwise.
yeah.
But that's just what I noticed.
Yeah.
I'm sure the valve adjustment will help with that. I'm just gonna check spark plugs and all that.
Thanks
But
for driving and helping and even coming along.
Yep.
I need to get my tired ass to home. I'm so exhausted.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're out here. Next morning, car made it home. I honestly am so stoked. I couldn't be, I don't know, I couldn't be more stoked. So she made it home. She made the 12-hour drive back, roughly 800 miles, basically. So it didn't skip a beat. Popped the check engine light for an O2 sensor. I just scanned it. Secondary O2 sensor, unfortunately, a little bit pricier, but easy fix. So this thing, I don't really know. I don't really know what I'm trying to say. So this is definitely normally far out of my budget, but this was kind of one of those things. If you guys obviously know or watch my channel regularly, you know I've been busting my butt trying to make my own business, do all this stuff, and obviously haven't been putting much money into my cars, if any at all. I've been buying supplies and tools as I need it to continue making more money, and that has its benefits. And one of those things is I've been saving a lot of money, more than I've ever saved in my life before, because I've changed my spending habits, and it's it was time for me to get a more practical daily. The Miata's been my daily since I bought it a year and a quarter ago, almost a year and a half or whatever, and it's fantastic. It still runs perfectly fine. My only gripes with it is, being that it's turbo, it's a little bit more stress. Arizona summers are not kind to turbo cars. It has AC and all that jazz, but it's just, the turbo makes it heat soak too much, even with hood vents, even with the radiator being bigger in aluminum, even with the coolant reroute, even with the ducting. This is just not a good Arizona car being a daily driver. I wanted something more practical and reliable for me to take on road trips, because my family is a little spread apart. My mom lives way out in Missouri, so I'd love to be able to go visit her more regularly because she moved from Wisconsin down to Missouri. So this car is going to let me be able to do that, and I'm not going to do too much stuff to this car. We are going to modify it a little bit. We'll make some videos with it, but mostly we're just going to drive the piss out of it and enjoy it. It's got everything that I need on it. It's got cruise control, AC, heat, power steering, the windows that don't rattle over every bump. Like, it's just something nice. I've never had a car this new before, even though it's an 03. I've never had a car past 96, which was my first car, my Camaro. And it's just nice, and I can't be more thankful, because if it wasn't for you guys helping support me, for you guys buying the bumper bars, for you guys watching the videos, I couldn't have saved up this amount of money to be able to get something like this. So unfortunately, I did have all the money myself to buy it, but that would have put me at flat broke. So I did have to borrow a little bit of money from my older brother, who was gracious enough to help me. But once I sell the Miata, I'm paying them right back out of that anyway, because the Miata is kind of in a gold mine market at the moment. So now's a good time to sell, especially high Miata market plus tax season. Trying to make the most of it, but I'm just all around stoked. So do you say we throw the GoPro and go for a drive? It does have the Cali tags on it right now. Today is Sunday. I can't register it because the DMV is closed. So I'm going to go tomorrow and try and get it registered. But let's slap on the GoPro, at least just kind of cruise around. It's very quiet, it's stock, it has an intake, that's about it. But we'll at least try and just ride around just a little bit and just point of view. Alright, so there you guys go. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you guys are looking forward to S2000 content, like I said, I'm not going to get too crazy into it. It's mostly going to be suspension and aesthetic mods and maybe some brake mods and stuff. These are very, very capable cars as is, and just tons of fun. F-Series are pretty darn cool, I have to admit. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to let me know in the comments down below. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you've considered subscribing. If you want to help support the channel, I do have a Patreon. You could always sign up for that. You could always go buy some stickers and stuff, some t-shirts in the Big Cartel. Long sleeves, this isn't one of them, but I got them. And yeah, anyways guys, do what you love, forget about the rest, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.